have a discussion on DT discussion on sensors. Okay, we're going to apply a design thinking approach on the sensors. So totally we'll be having a 5 stages in design thinking: empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So we are all going to apply this 5 stages in the sensors, and we're going to find the solution. Let's start the discussion.
Okay, ma'am. To start about the DT concept, there are 5 concepts, that is empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So I am going to say the concept which is related to sensor, that is an empathy part, which is a very basic part, which is a problem solving approach where we easily identify the problem from the customer side. So the problem from the customer side is not getting an accurate issues when the human caused. So most of humans are getting some consciousness to not taking care of everything. So, for example, leaving the gas on and leaving the electricity on when they are in the outside. So it can be make some harmful when the electricity passes on the gas. It may cause a disaster in the surrounding areas. So in upward side, we can say them heartbeat sensors. In the heartbeat, we can't able to calculate the accurate heartbeat. So it can be able to lose some lives with which will be very helpful to their families too. So we are all going to take one defined part, that is for example, we can take a small part, that is gas sensor. So how can we prevent or control this using gas sensor? Okay, so the next part is define part.
For example, we can build a small automation project which uses gas sensor. It detects the gas when it is leaked, and it will be linked to many circuits. So if the gas is leaked, if the gas is over leaking, it may go to explode. So if the gas is leaked, it will be automatically off the gas valves. So this is a experiment.
Well said. So ideate part should be little brief. Okay. Ideate part, coming to ideate part, we can see the gas sensor. It is actually used in the gas areas only, because in our home kitchens or other gas surrounding areas. If the gas, we can also set the alarm or buzzer to alert the people. Now we cannot automatically turn off the cylinder in the kitchen. The gas is leaked, the sensor detect the gas sensor detect the gas leakage, then signal to the microcontroller, and microcontroller signal to the buzzer. Automatically the alarm will be alarm. So it alert the people inside the room. So they come and turn off the gas. In like that, we are using the smoke sensor also. So the smoke sensor also detect these harmful gases in the surrounding areas or in the air. It also makes some disaster in the environment, and it is very harmful to the environment. So other than say some type of gases are harmful to the humans. They do not to breathe some gases. So it also using smoke sensor, we have to detect these some harmful gases. These are the and testing part, how do they sensor fix things? The gas sensor, the input is many and many sensor is the input. Processing LPG gas, methane gas, methane, any other gas, oxygen, molecules. We are looking to an gas molecules, both oxygen and LPG gas. Both are input to effluent sensors. It will sense it and detect, or any they are given some threshold to an sensor. Gas and some some of the application threshold frequency have. We are setting a some frequency sensors. It can only detect LPG gas. It can only detect methane gas. Nowadays we have in Tamil Nadu we have problems. We have detecting a methane gas. Some problems are in some other places. They are measuring in smoke sensor and gas sensor. We are detecting methane overflow of the area. It will under the how is it? It is under government area. It will only rule government. It cannot use of government vehicles. And the gas sensor is mainly used as communicating signals. Using mechanical signals or converting to have some input. It will matching equipment that it will direct between some other sensors. It cannot deliver a message even if it can enter with another sensor or any like GPS sensor or any sensor. It will some alarm or any other process. It can direct and it will human can identify it. It can rectify it. And we can use mainly home automations and gas areas, the gas manufacturing area, and in hospitals or in many other places. You see, we in this problem we are taking the one gas sensors to identify the other and how can we clear the get the proper output. Like that, we are using the design thinking approach. We want to find the what the problem occurs there and what are the areas to purify the problem and what are the sensors we are using to verify the problem and get the proper output. These are the design thinking approach using these.
Finally, you have to test the sensor. Finally, you have to test the prototype and you have to check whether it meets the needs of the customer. So when the incorporate this is designing the sensors, we'll be getting a more advanced sensor, more accurate sensors, and it will be more helpful for the environment. Okay, thank you all for your valuable comments.
Thank you.